Here's how to move your downloads folder from the default location to any other drive that you want in Windows 11. If this video helps you, all I ask in return is that you subscribe. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing you guys want to do is open your File Explorer. In here, you want to find your downloads folder on the left side in here. As you can see, I have my downloads folder right here. You want to right click on your downloads folder and you want to click on Properties. Under Properties, you want to head over to where it says Location, and then in here, you want to press Move. Now you could choose any drive that you want to put this downloads folder into, and then just go ahead and select the folder or create a new folder inside that drive. You could name it downloads, select that folder, and then press where it says select folder, and it will change the downloads folder location. After you select that folder, hit apply and then hit OK, and it will change that downloads folder location. Now, even though you now change your default downloads folder, you still have to update your browsers to match your new selection. So for that, open the browser of preference that you have. In this case, I'm going to use Google Chrome, and then inside Google Chrome, head over to the three dots on the top right, and then scroll down in here and select Settings down here. In the settings menu, you want to go over to the left side and select downloads on the left side. That'll place you right here, and now you want to press change for location. Now just look for whatever folder you want to use. If you have created a new folder, just go ahead and select that new folder where you want your new downloads to go to, click select folder, and that's it. This is how to update your browsers to match your new downloads folder. Anyways guys, that is how to change the location of your downloads folder in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.